Hi guys, today we're going to be solving AP-1 sumHeights. The problem states, we have an array of heights representing the altitude along a walking trail. Given start and indexes into the array, return the sum of the changes for a walk, beginning at the start index and ending at the end index. For example, with the heights 5, 3, 6, 7, 2, and start equals 2, end equals 4, yields a sum of 1 plus 5 equals 6. The start and end index will both be valid indexes into the array with start less than equal to end. Okay, so essentially what's happening is we're given an array of integers. We're given a start index and an end index. Well, that's a mouthful. We're going to begin at the start index and continue until we reach the end index and find the differences between all the intervals. So starting at 6, we're comparing 6 to 7. We're subtracting them from each other and getting an absolute value of 1. And we're going to store that into a variable, most likely an integer variable. Then we're going to compare 7 and 2. They have a difference of 5. We're going to add that 5 to the same variable, and we're going to have a final result of 6. You guys can see that right here. Okay, to start, we're probably going to need a we're going to need a integer variable to keep track of the addition of all of the differences. And we're going to need a for loop. We're going to start at the given start index and go all the way up until the end index. Then let's create a temporary variable that's going to calculate the differences between where we are right now and where we're headed. To do that, we simply have to do math.abs heights I minus heights I plus 1. And then we're going to add that to temp. We're going to add that to count. Okay, so what this does right here is we're taking the absolute value, math.abs means, or it takes the absolute value of our current position minus the value at one index above the current position. So looking at the first example one more time, we're subtracting 6 from 7. Normally that would be -1, but we can't be adding a negative value to our count variable. So we're going to take the absolute value. After that, we're just going to be adding that temporary value into our total value called count. After the for loop, all we have to do is return count. Let's see if this works. I made an error. Let's see where. I did not declare int I. Okay. Cool, it works.